Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kit Valentin Dimagdaw, and today I will be teaching you guys how to find the equation of a normal line. So if you guys watch my previous video, you already know that we have already found the slope of a tangent line, the values of x and y, as well as the equation of the tangent line. So today I will be teaching you guys how to find the slope of a normal line. So first of all, the slope of the normal line is perpendicular to the slope of the tangent line. So m is equals to negative 1 over 2. So that is the slope of the normal line. So next is, let's use the formula, which is y minus y sub 1 is equals to the slope of the normal line times x minus x sub 1. So the next one here is this substitute. So y minus 2 negative 2 is equals to the slope of the normal line, which is negative 1/2 times x minus 3. Okay, now let's solve. So this is positive 2, and 2 times 2y is equals to 2y plus 2 times 2 is 4. It is equal to negative x, and negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 3. So the next step here is to bring this here. So 2y is equals to negative x plus 3. So negative 4. Then is equals to x plus minus 1. Then the next step here is to let's divide it by 2. So 2y. Let's consider. So y is equal to x minus 1. Okay, so this is our normal line. I'm sorry, it's wrong. So the equation of the normal line is equal to negative x over 2 minus negative 1 over 2. So this is the equation of the normal line. That is all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.